Well, one of the projects I've been playing with, or ideas in here, are these 2.8-inch screens. And this is basically the bouncing ball from Amiga time. I don't know how many of you will remember that a computer made by Commodore, that they even belly up somewhere in 95, 96. Uh, they made a computer called Amiga, which was the most advanced computer I ever had. And if it kept being developed, it would have definitely replaced the PCs we have in these days. But it uh, it didn't win, and they went belly up. They screw up. As you can see, there's two demos in here. Uh, these are they call them they are 2.8 inches, and they call them yellow, the yellow thing. But they have a model number, and you need to go look it up on the internet. There is a guy who develops these things, but this is the correct sticker from this card, from these displays. I just printed this case for it. Here is the 18650 battery with the board and behind there to power it, so it's portable. But anyway, this board here, this is the sticker that came with it, and it's called ESP32 2.8 inch resistor touch, so it has a touch screen, and the model is ESP32 dash, and this is important, 2432 S028R. Make sure you don't get a different model. There's also a P model, and I don't know how to use that one. So, but I will maybe in the future make a little bit more videos about this, because it's very inexpensive. It runs ESP32 operating system, and you can program it from the Arduino IDE. The only thing I have to do is follow this instruction set, which is on GitHub. And there's a guy, and I forgot his name, I apologize, that actually developed all these demos and the instructions of how to make it work. So hopefully you like it. Hopefully you maybe get one of these and play with it. The same guy there, when you are there the GitHub, they have this they have these little stands, even this little monitor cover, and so you can use this like this as well as you can use it like that. So I just thought that it looked better the other way around. So let's hope that you like this video. Put thumbs up for me, and don't forget to have a great day.